Form, function, design. The OS8 by One Shot is the most stunning ice cream and frozen yogurt dispenser we have ever built. Its sleek curves and simplicity incorporates our Zen philosophy to make One Shot stand out from the crowd, enhancing the pleasure of your overall user experience and profitability. Operating the One Shot dispenser is easy. You simply remove the container of flavor and product choice from your storage holding cabinet, pull off the tab, and insert into the machine. Push the green button and the machine begins to serve your ice cream, frozen yogurt, or sorbet. There are no O-rings, dasher blades, or any other fiddly bits. In fact, there is no sanitizing at all required. No sanitizing, endless flavor choice, low energy consumption. A One-Shot OS7 or OS8 consumes less than a 100-watt domestic light bulb. Using energy only when dispensing, giving a maximum dispensing capacity of up to 240 portions per hour. We offer a cost-effective system with low financials, fast payback, and on top of that, we have taken away the complication.